Ontario. Make some noise, give them some encouragement. Woo! Here we go. Come on. Make some noise, get them through that mud. Going for him right now.
No, I think Chris is going next.
Come on, guys, give them some encouragement. Get them through this mud. Here we go, second half. Come on, Justin, you can do it. Yeah! Come on! Just so you know, they cannot reverse in this. Come on, Justin, you can do it. There you go. Yeah. Brian Bateman from Oakville, Ontario. Make some noise. Get them through.
Good man. Give her Bateman. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, look at that. There we go, guys. Put your hands together. Up next, we've got number 1, Corey Pruitt from Thamesville, Ontario. Make some noise. Make some noise. Get them through this mud.
Oh my god.
That's Jamie.
Come on, give him some encouragement. He can do it. Make it loud, make it proud. And there we go, guys. Corey all the way through. Give her some encouragement, get her on through. Second half, here we go.
Good check. Yeah. Doing good.
There we go, guys. Jessica made it through. Here we go, guys. Make some noise.
Yeah!
Jim Pekoski from Espanola, Ontario. Make some noise. There we go, guys. Jim made her on through. Number 7, Bo Pekoski from Espanola, Ontario. Make some noise. Get them through.
Second. Break like the time. I don't know. You want some of Jamie? You have some of Jamie though. You have some of Jamie, okay?
Get them through. some encouragement, make some noise. Here we go. There we go, guys. Make some noise for Dylan. 15, Justin Durant from Innisfil, Ontario. Make some noise.
Seriously. Is there a cooler or? Yeah. You can both take a run back now and grab everything.
I'm gonna listen.
Here we go, guys. Make some noise. Get them through.
Woo! Come on, bud! Come on!
She is adorable.
Oh, thank you.
I love the little laugh. Like, and then there's her. I'm like, this is so sweet.
All right, guys, we're going to give these quads a second shot. Here we go, guys. Number 9, Chris Tabransky from Burlington, Ontario.
Come on, Chris. I'll fall down.
From Oakville, Ontario.
Yeah! Nice. David's amazing.
Look at him go. Make some noise.
That was quick. That was quick.
From Davisville, Ontario.
You don't need. You got the option.
Come on, Jessica, you can do it!
Ooh, there you go. At least I know what my machine can do.
We've got number 4, Nick Taylor! God, give them some encouragement. Get them on through.
Hit the throttle. Oh, encouragement when he hits the throttle. Get on her. It's unnecessary, buddy. It's dirty and dirty. Give her. Break her. She's only a puppy.
Justin Durant from Innisfil, Ontario. Make some noise, get them going.
New York City.
Can you grab her?
Thanks, Ken.
I should have brought earplugs.
What are the times at?
Up next, we got numbers 5, Mr. Jim Petrowski from Espanola, Ontario.
Bateman's does?
Give him some noise, give him some encouragement.
Oh, he flipped. I missed it. Here, look.
Robin's racing. Good work.
You're okay.
Hey, you need a hand?
Oh no, he fell down in the mud hole.
Alright guys, just 1 second. We're gonna make sure everybody's okay.
Stop or something. I gotta get there quick.
Just a little flip and we're hoping everybody's okay. Make some noise. Give them your sympathy here. Here we go, number 28. This is Denise McKever from Essa, Ontario.
Get in, no, get in.
Make some noise, get her going. That looks like so much fun. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Big hand out there for Denise.
Well, that was spotless.
Up next, we have another special treat for you. This is Eddie Hadith from Kitchener, Ontario. Here we go, guys. He's taking his Argo. Make some noise. Come on, Eddie, you can do it.
Go, go. It's an Argo. He'll go. It's an Argo. He'll go. That's right. She'll paddle the way through.
Well, that's one benefit for something who doesn't sink. Make some noise. Get Eddie through it. He's making it off the first hump. Here we go, guys.
There you go. Just paddle your way through.
There we go, guys. Eddie made it on through. Don, can we get a little bit?